is the tree nursery, becoming a community tree nursery, because all the people that have been helping to plant trees are also going to come and help plant seeds and look after these little seedlings that could be planted not just on this land but other land around the town where we desperately need more trees. So here you can see the difference between these trees, which were grown in a nursery, a commercial tree nursery, and sent through the post, and these trees, which were planted from acorns from the big oak trees that you see around here. These are much stronger, healthier looking trees. Because they come from trees that are already existing, those trees, existing trees, already are strong and resilient. Local provenance seed, that seed taken from local trees, will always be better. Those trees already have an established relationship with the conditions, but also with the mycorrhizae as well under the ground. And easier. I mean, acorns are easy. I think I planted 500 acorns. A lot got eaten by mice, but a lot survived as well. And also, you know, these trees that, great, they were donated to us for community planting, but they came from a nursery that's way up north of England, you know, and we really need to be growing. There's nothing wrong with growing commercially, but it should be local. And so really every county should have its own commercial tree nurseries, but much better to be able to just to pick up the seed and plant it ourselves. Right, so here we've got different species of trees, most of them grown from seed, but some actually from, I have dug up as seedlings in places within the wood, or the new woodland, where, or on the edge of tracks where they won't survive. So potted them on. These will be planted back out into the new woodland. So here we have hazel. These big tall ones are birch. As we know, they go up very fast. There's hornbeam here, which is a more unusual, not commonly planted, but we have actually whole Devon banks planted with purely hornbeam species. It's a really good tree, really good hard timber, a bit like oak tree, very good species to have. Moving on, here we have rowan and other different species, wild cherry as well here. These trees I just potted on today because they were pot bound. I'll just show you, there's some alder here, which we don't have much of on the land at all. And this is wild service, which is a beautiful tree and produces dark berries, fruit that has to have the frost on, be what's called bletted before they can be eaten, cooked and eaten. But it produces a lovely tree with lovely blossom on too. So eventually the whole of this area will be tree nursery, and we've actually been given logs, timber out of the big wood opposite that we will cut on a sawmill and make into more beds to grow more trees.